camera. Oh, transparency.
Very good. How do you spell transparency? Strike one. Strike two.
Oh! Damn it!
We're back onto the bed.
Oh no, it's over here.
This is your last strike. Strike three! Get the fuck away. Get the fuck out.
No.
You don't get more than 3 chances. You suck.
Strike 4. Keep counting. I want to see how long it takes.
I usually end up getting hurt.
5 strikes. Where'd it go? Look under my bed. Look under my bed. Hey, you can't see anything under my bed.
You recording that?
Yeah.
Your picture's under the bed. This bed is high.
And this bed is low. This bed is just right.
This bed is too high. This bed is too soft. Not high or low. Retard.
Well, if she's short, if she
No! Goldilocks is not short!
You don't know that. She's giant. Did she go on the beanstalk? Was it her?
She wants the beanstalk!
Well, if she's a giant. You know what? If she's a giant.
She's not a giant.
But then she's still
Why would Goldilocks be a giant?
Yes,
That's a completely different fairy tale.
So?
She's not in the Jack and the Beanstalk.
So? Maybe she could be. The giant never had a name.
Stop it with this.
No.
We still didn't find it?
I was looking for it?
Oh my god.
Was I looking for it?
Very good, Megan.
I see it. Okay. You don't talk already.